Hello there! Welcome to the Dezperate Actor YouTube channel. It's me, Steve from Dezperateactor.com, and today we're going to talk about how should you drop your current agent. So let's say you're already at that break point. You have already tried everything you can to communicate with your agents. You have said everything you need. You updated your marketing materials. You did your best to basically make this relationship work, but it's either a one-sided relationship or they can't find a way to submit you to anything, or you haven't gotten auditions in a while. So you think it's time to leave your agent. So how do you properly do this? The best way, absolute best way you can do it is through writing, because writing, it's right there in front of you and in front of them in order for them to absolutely know. It's not good for you to just call them and be like, I quit or I fire you. No. It's best that you write a letter, and it could be brief and concise as far as like saying that you no longer want to pursue this relationship. And it's absolutely okay, especially if you haven't booked a single role. Even if you've gone, let's say if you've gone to 10,000 auditions and you never booked a single one, it's okay for you to write it in letter form and actually send it to them via email, via mail. You dropping it off at their office physically. However you do this, that's absolutely the best way for you to drop the agent. And if you are already in the union, make sure to not only write the letter to your agent, but write a letter also. Send a copy essentially to SAG-AFTRA, to the SAG Foundation as well, just so they're aware and they can update their database that you're no longer with this particular agency. So that is absolutely the best way. If you want to know more about the details on like what to write to agents and things like that, make sure to check out our Dezperate Actor program, the 2.8 Supercharged Edition specifically, because there we go really into details in depth on what to write, what things to say, and how to format letters and things like that in order to be brief and concise and straight to the point to those agents and managers and people in your team that you no longer want them to work for you because you want to move on and do something else. So make sure you check that out at Dezperateactor.com, as long as our other resources. We got free resources and premium resources for you to indulge in everything that we have there for you. Don't forget to like this video, share with a friend or two that might need it more than you do. Comment below, have you been through this experience, or is this your first time going through it? How are you feeling? Are you feeling nervous? Are you feeling scared? Are you feeling excited? Leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, because if you subscribe, it helps us a ton to connect with more people just like you, to find this amazing content that is completely designed to help those people trying to break into the entertainment industry. All right, thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of the Dezperate Actor Lessons. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day.